Local sports financing remains one of the biggest challenges, cutting across football, netball and cricket, for instance, despite sports being a multi-billion-dollar industry. While Jinja prepares to host the annual cricket tournament among schools, home to ground-level talent, the avenue not only provides commercial investment opportunities, but also opportunity for revenue generation.
Being promoted as a very important driver to economic emancipation. Jinja in itself is positioning itself through people like us who are residents of Jinja as a sports tourism hub. When we get events like the Skyview National Boys Cricket Week, it does not only bring the sports fun base to Jinja, it brings money to Jinja. So it's a 7-day event, so we are seeing people coming and booking hotels in Jinja. We are seeing hawkers, we are seeing kiosks, we are seeing small business people tapping into this opportunity. But most important, as it is a mission for East Enders Sports Hub, to use sports as a tool for economic emancipation, it is going to give the cricketers, the youngsters, an opportunity to showcase their talent, an opportunity to be seen.
16 schools have confirmed participation in the games that will be held in the eastern city of Jinja. Harris International's public relations officer, Ishita Atkunda, confirms having handed over the sponsorship package, a breather to support upcoming athletes. According to Alan Mugume, the chief executive officer at Uganda Cricket Association, the tournament will also be used to select players that will represent the country at the international cricket tournament.
Uganda needed that boost, needed that support. This event has been going on since 1939, but a lot of people maybe don't know about it. A lot of young people in schools haven't discovered the thrill of the game of cricket. That's why we came on board to add in the efforts that the Cricket Association has been doing to push the game in Uganda, to make sure that new young people discover this game, discover themselves and their talents to this game, and Uganda's cricket legacy and reputation keeps growing as more people join the game of cricket.
I'm very, very excited because it's not just support for the event itself, but the outcome of the event. Once the event gets support, then it contributes to the growth of the game across the board. So we're very, very excited.